In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present online with subtitles and pointer in PowerPoint. Start by opening the PowerPoint deck you want to present. Make sure the file is ready to go with any notes you plan to reference already added to the notes pane of each slide. This will make your on-screen tools more useful once you begin presenting. Next, enable Presenter View. Go to the Slideshow tab and select Use Presenter View. This layout is designed for presenters. You'll see your current slide, your speaker notes, a timer to keep you on track, and a preview of the next slide. Your audience only sees the slides themselves, not your notes, so you can comfortably reference key points without reading off the screen. If you're using multiple monitors, keep Presenter View on your private display and share only the slideshow window with your audience. Now turn on Live Subtitles. In the Slideshow tab, choose Always Use Subtitles. Set your spoken language to the language you'll be speaking and choose the subtitle language you want viewers to read. This is especially helpful for multilingual audiences or viewers who prefer captions. You can position subtitles at the top or bottom of the slide. Pick the placement that avoids covering important content. If your slides have lower third text, top positioning often works best. Subtitles rely on your microphone input, so speak clearly, at a steady pace, and avoid talking over others to keep captions accurate. When it's time to guide attention, use the laser pointer. While in slideshow mode, press Ctrl+L to turn your cursor into a red laser pointer. Move it deliberately to underline key words, numbers, or parts of a chart. Avoid waving it too quickly, as fast movements can be hard for viewers to follow. When you're done, press Ctrl+A to switch back to the arrow pointer. Finally, present online by sharing your screen or the PowerPoint window in your meeting platform, such as Teams, Zoom, or a webinar tool. If the platform supports it, subtitles can appear live for attendees when captions are enabled in the meeting. The specific option name may vary by platform, so check that captions are turned on for participants to see them. That's it. Open your deck, use Presenter View to stay organized, turn on subtitles for clarity and accessibility, highlight with the laser pointer, and share your presentation window in your meeting. With this setup, your audience gets a clear, polished experience, whether they're watching live or catching a recording later.